If you've accidentally deleted a story on Instagram, don't worry, you can restore it. In this video, I'll show you how to quickly and easily restore any deleted story. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end and follow the simple steps in the video and you'll have your story back in no time. First of all, open up the Instagram application, and then, for the purpose of this video, let's post a quick little story. And now my story is posted on Instagram. So let's go ahead and tap on that. And then let's tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. And then let's delete this Instagram story. So now, in order to restore the deleted Instagram story, tap on your profile picture icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you are on your Instagram profile, tap on these three lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then from this menu, tap on your activity. So now what you want to do next is scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Recently Deleted. And it will show you all of the stories, posts, and other stuff that you've recently deleted on Instagram. Simply tap on the Instagram story that you want to restore and then tap on these three little dots at the bottom right corner of the screen. And it will show you two different options. So go ahead and tap on the second option. Restore. And then tap on Restore one more time to restore this deleted Instagram story back onto your profile. So let's go back. And boom. That deleted story has now been successfully restored and people can watch it. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.